Morning. It's a lovely sunny morning again, and the new project car has arrived. Now, this is another electric car from Copart, and they had it listed as a Category S. But from the photos, I was really dubious as to whether this is a Cat S. This is a Cat N, all day long. Obviously, I needed to wait till it turned up. So it's here now. It's just been put on the drive. So I'll do the walk around with you. Let's have a look and see if I was right, or maybe they were right and it is a Category S or something that I haven't found. So let's have a look. So we'll start with the good bits. So from the back, usual Copart dirtiness, but this is a Fiat 500e La Prima version. I believe it's a 71 plate. I haven't got a project name for it yet, but it's a 71 plate La Prima model in mineral grey. No damage on the rear, no damage on the door. Needs a new door mirror. That wing probably go again. The bonnet possibly, but I've got a brand new spare bonnet anyway. Then obviously there's the damage. So it's been hit in the front. Slam panel done, but looking down there, that has not moved back at all. That chassis leg is fine. So walking around, yeah, there's another crease in the bonnet there, so it's probably easier just to replace the bonnet. But again, no compression on that chassis leg either, so that chassis leg is fine. So this is absolutely not a Category S. Real shame that they've listed it as that, but you know, it means I got it at a good price and a nice, cheap, easy repair. So gonna need a wing, a bonnet, slam panel, replacement indicator for there, and by the looks of it, 2 door mirrors. But other than that, all is good. So let's have a look and see what we've got in the boot, because I did see on the listing that it had most of the spare parts. So yeah, there we've got a front bumper. Obviously that's going to have to be replaced, that's seen better days. Some bolts, mirror casing, headlamp. Both of those lights are in the bumper. So yeah, I think the only thing we're potentially missing is, looks like I might need a second headlamp, but that's okay. I can get hold of those easy enough. Yeah, I don't think this is a difficult job. So first things first, just because it makes it look a whole lot better when I'm working on it, let's get this cleaned. I'm not going to do a full clean on it, just a quick pre-rinse and a snow foam, and then just dry it off and see what conditions the paint in. So I'll come back to you once that's been done. And there it is. Paintwork is lovely. So once that front end is all back together, this will be a nice little car. And it definitely is not Category S. No damage at all on that front chassis leg. And again, no damage on that chassis leg. So this is the problem with insurance companies at the moment. There's so much assessment work that goes on, either just through what they see on a picture or even using AI on some of this, that they get it wrong. So this is a Category N all day long. To put this car back together properly, all you got to do is those 8 bolts there on that crash bar, those 8 bolts there on that crash bar, 4 on each side, hence the 8. That all comes off, that front panel comes out completely, and replacement goes straight back in. Kind of all wrong really that they categorise cars as an S for that, but it's a mistake. It should be a K. purely superficial bodywork. Afternoon now, and not quite so sunny, but I did say there were 2 cars coming and the other one has just arrived, so let's have a quick walk around this. So here you have it, a lovely Fiat 500e Icon. Now this one is unrecorded. There is no crash damage on this vehicle at all. It is so clean you wouldn't believe it. I know it's not clean, but it's clean as in there is not a mark on this paintwork. Not that I've seen so far, it just needs a really good wash. But there is a minor problem which we need to try and sort out. And it's going to be a learning curve, something I haven't attempted before. As I said, it's an electric vehicle, and it had a bit of a coolant leak into the power control module, which has been diagnosed as failed. And so now, what this is going to need is some further work, clearing codes, trying to get the battery back to life. And if it needs a new power control module, then it's all got to be coded in and what have you with Fiat themselves. But other than that, it shouldn't be that hard to do.